Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Amna Sajid and this is an introduction to nutrition module. Nutrition module will be of 7 days duration. It will commence from 13th May 2020 and will last till 19th May 2020. Nutrition module will focus on the relationship between health and nutrition. It aims to help you people to identify the components of a balanced diet and advocate their role in regulation of metabolism and maintenance of a healthy body. It also aims to develop a relationship between different dietary components and various clinical disorders such as diabetes mellitus, ischemic heart disease, protein energy malnutrition, etc. During this module, there will be integration between basic sciences content and clinical sciences content. Major part of the module will be from biochemistry along with correlation from community medicine, gynecology and obs and pediatrics. And this clinical correlation will inshallah hopefully help you in understanding different concepts better. Now, these are the course learning outcomes, and this is a very important slide because it lays out the different targets and objectives that you are expected to achieve by the end of the module. By the end of the module, inshallah, you people will be able to discuss the classification, functions, and relationship of nutrients with various clinical disorders, justify malnutrition using relevant methods of nutritional assessment, discuss the components of a balanced diet and the symptoms associated with micro and macronutrient deficiencies, explain the nutritional significance of breastfeeding and weaning in children, and explain the importance of nutritionally adequate diet and specific dietary requirements for a healthy pregnancy. Now, during lockdown, as you people are unable to attend college, lectures for you will be recorded and uploaded on YouTube. PowerPoint slides will be posted on Edmodo, and tutorial sessions will be conducted via Zoom app. The timetable for all these activities has already been posted on Edmodo. Now, your assessment will be done via end of module exam. It will carry 100 marks and will comprise of 40 MCQs, and each multiple choice question will carry 2.5 marks. So this is all about the nutrition module. Best of luck for your studies from my side, and thank you.